Breakdown of the Python program. 1. Import necessary libraries. Pandas, for data manipulation and analysis. Keras, for building and training the LSTM model. Sklearn.preprocessing, for scaling numerical features. 2. Load and preprocess data. Load data, read historical sales data from a CSV file. Handle missing values, fill missing values with the previous value, fill. Scale numerical features, scale the sales column to a range of 0 to 1 using a min-max scaler. Create lagged features, create 3 new features representing sales from the previous 1, 2, and 3 time periods. 3. Split data into training and testing sets. Divide the data into 80% for training and 20% for testing. 4. Create input and output sequences. Separate the lagged features, x_train, x_test, from the scaled sales values, y_train, y_test, for training and testing. 5. Reshape input data for LSTM. Reshape the input data into the 3D format expected by LSTM, samples, time steps, features. 6. Build the LSTM model. Create a sequential model with 2 LSTM layers, 50 units each, and a final dense layer with 1 unit for output. Compile the model with mean squared error loss and the atom optimizer. 7. Train the model. Train the model on the training data for 100 epochs, using a batch size of 32 and validating on the testing data. 8. Make predictions on test data. Use the trained model to predict sales values on the testing data. Inverse transform the scaled predictions back to the original scale. 9. Evaluate model performance. Calculate the root mean squared error, RMSE, to assess the model's accuracy. 10. Forecast future demand. Create new sales data with lagged features. Scale and reshape the new data. Use the model to predict the future demand. Inverse transform the predicted demand back to the original scale. 11. Print the predicted demand. Display the predicted demand value.